A gillnet is a vertical wall of mesh netting. It has floats on top of the nets and weights on the bottom. This helps keep the net suspended in the water vertically. Because the twine or filament, in basically other words, the net is almost invisible in the water, the fish swim right into it. Their heads get stuck in the mesh and they can't escape. The mesh size is regulated according to whatever species is being targeted. However, there is still a lot of bycatch, which is the catch of unwanted fish. This way is a very old method of fishing. Records exist from all over the world. These include Japan, Norway, Native Americans, Welsh, English, and even American colonies. There are different types of gillnets. The first type of gillnet is the set gillnet. The set gillnet has weights and is fastened to poles. This makes it so that the net is actually fixed in place like a wall in the water. Fish swim through it and get caught in it. The other type of gill netting is drift gill nets. Drift gill nets are not fastened to poles and are not stationary. However, like the other type, they also have floaties on the top and weights on the bottom to keep them vertical. However, they drift along with the current and are not placed or fixed in any place. Nowadays, drift nets are only used on rivers. However, this was not always the case. Before, they were also used in international waters. This was up until 2002 when the United Nations General Assembly established a moratorium prohibiting their use in international waters. As for the sustainability of this method, when managed responsibly, gillnet fishing can be somewhat sustainable. Innovations such as the use of acoustic devices and visual cues have been employed to reduce non target species and their capture. Additionally, the adoption of size selective mesh and escape panels can help release undersized or non commercial species. Implementing proper retrieval protocols and seasonal closures in critical spawning areas further contributes to sustainable gillnet operations.